Well, that was a bit of a low pass to see from the, what's it called, the Coast Guard helicopter we've just seen come over anyway. Which, as you can tell, that was the Sikorsky S-92-A helicopter we've just seen. That literally just came over anyway. Which for some reason, that's just literally came for an overhead, literally almost came for almost nearly an overhead pass anyway, but you know. So anyways, as you can see, he's literally flown here just to about almost 500 feet anyway. So as you can see, it's just literally, it's just came here for a very low pass anyway. And as you can see, it's just done a massive loop anyway. So as you can see, it's only just done a big massive loop anyway, just about 600 feet anyway. So yeah, for some reason he's just came for a very low pass anyway. Obviously because the weather today is quite windy anyway. So yeah, obviously because the forecast weather for today is quite windy anyway. But due to today, we haven't had much aircrafts coming in today, unfortunately, because of the weather is quite windy anyway. So yeah, turns out we just saw the Sikorsky S-92-A helicopter we've just seen come over anyway. Which obviously this is the shot that I ever got to see anyway. So yeah, as you can see, the call sign is on this HMCG924 anyway. As you can see, it's been out somewhere today apparently, but as you can tell, he's currently been out somewhere today anyway. As you can see, he's been somewhere just over, as it's been out doing search and rescue train just over Ilfracombe today, apparently just over on the north side Devon anyway. It's just literally, it's been doing some search and rescue train just over North Devon today apparently. So literally he's just been over at North Devon today, just by Ilfracombe apparently. And that's probably the time they took off, and it literally just took off from where it's been to. It's probably from the search and rescue train just at probably just after 3:20 anyway, around 20 past 3 anyway. So yeah, this is where it's been through his search and rescue train just over in Ilfracombe today, apparently, just over in North Devon today, apparently. So yeah, and just you can see, he's just decided to come over here for a low pass anyway. So yeah, he's literally just flew past just over Falmouth anyway, and past towards Thrush, and then past towards Penryn River, and then all of a sudden he's just came over a very low pass just over my place today, apparently, just almost at 500 feet anyway. And then for some reason he just then did a loop anyway. He'd just done a small loop anyway, just done a small loop turn just at 600 feet anyway. Which, to be fair, I never seen the Coast Guard helicopter does that before anyway. To be fair, I never see the Coast Guard helicopter that came quite close over at my place anyway. Especially his first time doing his this is his first time doing his loop anyway over my place in Penryn anyway. But this is the first time that I ever see the Coast Guard do anyway. So yeah, this is the first time that I ever see the Coast Guard search and rescue helicopter do anyway. So yeah. Especially had the door open on it though, to be fair, but especially because for some reason he just had the door open anyway. The door was opening on it anyway. Obviously it kind of shows that it was on train anyway. So yeah, but by the looks of it, it's probably now heading back to Newquay Airport, I believe anyway. Probably now on his way back to his base at Newquay Airport anyway, which that's probably where it came from anyway. So yeah, so as you can see, the registration is G-MCGY apparently, and with the call sign HMCG924 apparently. So yeah, okay, so yep, by the looks of it, it's now heading back to Newquay Airport, I believe. So yeah, okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.